Greetings to everyone. Igama lami kuSanelwa kaMkhize all the way from KwaZulu Natal, eMaritzburg, phansi eThekwini eMlazi. So today we out here at Dandi July sizo celebrate i-culture, heritage, music, uthando namaciko. So njenga namhlanje sizosijabule kakhulu namamodel ami abukeka emahle ngendlela esimangaliso. So nje sithanda ukubonga sithanda ukuthi nje si-enjoy usuku uqhubeke konke. So the inspiration behind lama lokho wabonayo la umhlabathi, which is lapho sisuka khona. So we all come from the ground actually. So ama textures, like my brand aesthetic upende. So yonke le fabric la we plain. So manje yonke le texture nale print eyibonayo iprint enziwe mina from scratch from origin. Dandi July, new
igama lami nguThobekile wakamzila, imodel eqhamuka la eThekwini. Sila kwi-Dandi July and we dressed by iXhosa Fashion House by Umbasa.
Hi everyone, my name is Nosipho, but I go as Unosi Mbuni. I'm from Stenga, all the way from Stenga, Emelville, and mina ngimodel and ngigqokise Umbasa, iXhosa House of Fashion. Okay, Dandi July, this is real avenue.
Superman. Hey, Bagaman. Hey, killer cats. This lover man. Yeah, Superman. Hey, Bagaman. Killer cats. Something the force, something the someone.
Hi, we are in Dandi July. This is New Avenue.
Dandi July. This is
Dr. Sifunda, ngithobeke emakhosini aseNdlunkulu. Ngibonile ukuthi ukhona abantwana bakhona, kukhona no Mafungwase kaMdlongomane. Greetings to the honorary premier, uSombisi uNdunankulu wethu, honorary MEC wa Sports Arts and Culture, uNtalenkosi uGabisi.
Everybody Untanzilo, I'm about to rock the stage at the Dundee July Experience 2026. This is News Avenue.
Thank you.